Namaste all of you. Today I am making vermicelli custard. For that I am using vermicelli. This one is roasted one. Then few dry fruits. Then milk maid. 1 cup of sugar and custard powder. I am using strawberry flavor. So let's do the cooking process. So now I heat the kadai. I am taking little ghee and I'm frying the dry fruits. In low flame. Just for a few seconds we have to fry this. Now I will fry this vermicelli. Though it is roasted one, then also in ghee, just for a few seconds I am frying it again. So now I am boiling the milk. I am using 500 ml milk. Now I am adding the sugar. Let the milk boil nicely. I am boiling this milk for 5 minutes, like 5 to 6 minutes. As you can see, it got a nice boil. So another 3 minutes I am going to boil it again. The sugar is dissolved fully. So after 3 minutes I am adding this vermicelli. I am cooking on a medium flame. Let the vermicelli cook properly till the time we have to cook it. Just keep on stirring so that it should not burn. You can see the color of the milk also changed little bit. The milk should get little bit thicker. That time only we have to add the custard powder. Now I am adding 2 spoons of condensed milk. As I am using sugar also, so 2 spoons is enough. Or you can use according to your taste. And mix it well. I am cooking this for 7 to 8 minutes again on medium flame. In a bowl I have taken a little this much milk. So now I am adding 1 spoon of custard powder. You have to mix it well. So now I am going to mix it little. And for another 2 minutes we have to cook it. Then the vermicelli custard will be ready. So after 2 minutes you can see this custard is ready. So now I am going to add the dry fruits. I'll off the gas. So friends, you can see my vermicelli custard is ready. So I hope you will like this recipe also. So for dessert you can try this one also. So thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you so much friends. Take care.